Completed in 2006, the Grande Venetian brings an urban style to Naples' high-rise living. The lobby's modern design is rich with dark woods and textures, glass art and light fabric furnishings. Amenities include fitness room, pool-level social room with catering kitchen, theater room, grills and a heated swimming pool and spa. Sky Residences offer 3 distinct open floor plans with private elevator vestibules, superior water views of Turkey Bay and the Gulf of Mexico, professional rated kitchens with stainless steel gas cooktops, wall ovens, wine coolers and built-in refrigerators, and master suites with spa-inspired bathrooms. The twin entries are flanked with black marble and crowned with a large porte-cochere lushly landscaped with tropical plantings and a water feature. Residents of the Grande Venetian enjoy all the resort amenities of the Dunes, a private clubhouse with concierge services, conference room, business center and living room complete with catering kitchen and a private membership to the Floridian Club. A private beach club. The Floridian Club is a fully staffed beach club offering members food and drink services, cabanas, Gulfront swimming pool and private beach access. Although located a short distance outside the gates of the Grand Preserve, the Floridian Club provides